Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League Workshop maps on Epic Games. Many players enjoy the custom challenges and unique environments that Workshop maps provide. Since Rocket League moved to Epic Games, accessing these maps requires a special approach. This guide will walk you through the single, most effective method to get these maps working for you. It's a straightforward process that will open up a whole new world of gameplay. The key to playing Workshop maps on Epic Games is a fantastic tool called BaxMod. This free, community-developed plugin unlocks a ton of features for Rocket League, and crucially, it allows you to load custom maps. You'll want to head over to the official BaxMod website to download the installer. Make sure you're getting it from the legitimate source to ensure safety and proper functionality. Installation is usually quick, taking less than 1 minute. Once BaxMod is installed, launch Rocket League as you normally would through the Epic Games launcher. You'll know BaxMod is running when you see its overlay or can open its menu. Press the F2 key on your keyboard to bring up the BaxMod interface. Inside this menu, you'll find a dedicated Workshop tab. From there, you can easily browse through a vast selection of custom maps and load them directly into your game, ready for action. To find the actual Workshop maps, you'll need to visit various community websites that host these creations. Look for maps with file extensions like .udk or .upk. Once you've downloaded a map, you'll need to place it into a specific folder within your BaxMod installation, usually the data folder. BaxMod will then recognize these files, allowing you to select and play them through its in-game menu. Enjoy countless hours of new challenges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.